Hello everyone. I Priyanka Bhinde, Assistant Professor of Computer Science and Engineering Department from Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patel College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to see the concept of Hill cipher. Hill cipher is the substitution technique which is used to encrypt the plain text to convert into the cipher text. Now we will see how to solve the Hill cipher. Here is the question, that is encrypt the message, come here. Here plain text is, or we can say the original message is come here. By using Hill cipher we have to solve this, and the key is 7, 2, 8 and 9. The key is in the matrix form, which is a 2 by 2 matrix we are given here. So now in the first step, we assign A to Z alphabets with respect to the 0 to 25. If we assign A as a 0, B assign as 1 and C is assigned as a 2 and so on. So Z at the end, the Z is assigned as a 25. Now in the next step, this plain text is converted into the pairs. That is in two pairs. That is a CO is a first pair, ME is a second pair, HE is a third pair, and RE is a fourth pair. And our key is, which is given to us, that is a 7289 in the form of matrix, which is a 2 by 2 matrix. The formula to solve the Hill cipher is ciphertext equal to Kp mod of 26. The C is a ciphertext, K is a key, P means plain text, and mod of 26. So we consider the first pair, that is a CO. To solve this, or we can say to encrypt this CO to convert it in the ciphertext, we use this formula. So here we are given is a key is a 7289 and P is a CO, which is put in the 2 by 1 matrix and mod of 26. So see what is the value of C? We will see in the first step, that is a C is assigned as a 2. So the value of C is 2 and the value of O is what? That is a 14. So we will put the value of O is 14 and mod of 26. Now multiplication of these two matrices, multiply these two matrices, then we will get the 42 by 142 mod of 26. We seen the earlier how to solve the mod 26 by using this method. After solving the mod of 26, we will get the 42 mod of 26, the answer is a 16, and 142 mod of 26, we will get the answer 12. And the corresponding letters of 16 and 12 is, the 16 is a corresponding letter is Q, here is a Q, and the 12 is corresponding letter is M. So here we will get the cipher text of CO, that is a Q and M. Now similarly we consider the next pair, that is ME. So again we will put the formula, that is a C equal to Kp mod of 26. Now K is a 7289 and plain text is our ME. The corresponding value of M is 12 and value of E is 4 and mod of 26. After calculating this multiplication, we will get 92 132 mod of 26. After solving this mod of 26, we will get 92 mod of 26, we will get the 14, and 132 mod of 26, the answer we will get the 2. The corresponding letters of 14 and 2 is O and C. So O and C is our ciphertext of M and E. Similarly, the third pair, that is H and E, we will put the values in a formula. The given key is 7289 and plain text is H and E. The corresponding value of H is 7. Here H is 7 and the value of E is 4. From here we will get the value of E, that is 4 and mod of 26. After again solving the multiplication matrix, we will get 57 mod of 26 and 92 mod of 26. After solving this mod, we will get the alphabets, that is F and O. From where, that is a 5 is corresponding letter is F and corresponding letter of 14 is O. And the last pair of this plain text is RE. Similarly, we solve this RE pair, that is key is 7289 and plain text is R and E mod of 26. Again, we calculate the matrix multiplication. After calculating the matrix multiplication, we will get 127 mod of 26 and 172 mod of 26. Again, after calculating the mod, we will get 23 and 16. So the corresponding value of 23, or we can say the corresponding alphabet of 23 is X and 16 alphabet is Q. So while gathering all these the value, we will get the ciphertext is QMOCFOXE. So by solving using the Hill cipher, we will get the ciphertext here. Thank you.